Welcome to Uptime.com and to our video on dashboards. Uptime.com makes it easy to organize your view of checks, metrics, and alerts from the dashboard. The dashboard is the first screen you are presented with when you log in and helps you access failed checks quickly and get an overall view of your checks. You will already have a created default dashboard at your disposal too. To customize, click the menu icon and select Customize. The customization window has 4 tabs: Global, Metric Summary, Checks, and Alerts. From the Global tab, you can name the dashboard, decide the board's menu position, and choose to pin it, which nests beneath the dashboard headings in your user panel. Next is the Metric Summary. Select to show the metric summary, which will create a table at the top of your dashboard. Once you tick the box to display the summary, you will be able to determine whether it shows all of the checks from your account, or only the checks selected for the dashboard. This is helpful if you want an overall view, but only want to display specific check cards and graphs. Since we have selected to show all account checks in the summary, we can now see the total checks in the account that are down, recent outages, overall response times, global uptime, last alert, and run load time. Moving on to the Checks tab, we can see that the Show Check cards are already selected. The default minimum number of check cards to display is 4, and you have the option to choose to display 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, or 24 cards per dashboard. We can also determine the display on check cards to show uptime and response time. Also, there is an option to allow the checks to be sorted by primary sort order, with the option to apply a secondary sort order for additional organization. You can choose to filter displayed checks by the following states: up, down, paused, or maintenance. There is also an option to auto-select checks by tag, as well as have the option to instead manually select checks. By doing any other of the previous options will result in the checks being shown in the Checks Selected section. On the Alerts tab, we can select to show the latest alerts. Also, you have the option to show alerts for all account checks, include ignored alerts which do not factor into overall uptime, or include resolved alerts. Alerts can be shown in increments of 5 up to 15. Once you are satisfied with the setup, select Preview. You will then see the dashboard is unsaved, and by selecting the Save button, this will then save your dashboard. Now that our main dashboard is configured, let's add a secondary dashboard. Click the top right menu again and select Create New Dashboard. The process for creating dashboards is the same each time. When you have multiple dashboards, you can determine the order they are displayed in, whether or not you want to access them from your user panel. In this example, the menu position is set to last and the pin option to sidebar is selected. We can now see our new dashboard has been created and is nested under the dashboard heading, making it easy to toggle between this dashboard and the main dashboard we created first. If you choose not to pin your dashboard, you can access it from the right-hand menu. You can also manage your existing dashboard by customizing and adjusting settings or deleting from this menu. The middle icon on the right-hand menu bar will expand your dashboard to full screen mode. The leftmost icon allows you to set refresh parameters, either auto refresh or by selecting from one of the other displayed options. The Uptime.com dashboard offers a comprehensive and customizable way to monitor your website checks, alerts, and key metrics in real time. From global uptime stats to detailed alert settings and flexible dashboard layouts, you can tailor your view to focus on the data that matters most. Whether you're managing one dashboard or several, the platform gives you full control to track performance and respond quickly to downtime events. To learn more about dashboards, visit our support documentation and our blogs for use cases, and check out the rest of our video library or reach out to us directly at support@uptime.com.